How to find out what's making your stomach hurt using this belly map. There are many different types of abdominal pain, with some a lot more serious than others. Depending on where you feel discomfort, it could be a sign of different health conditions. 1. Gallstones. 2. Stomach ulcers. 3. Kidney stones. 4. Pancreatitis. 5. Constipation. Read, stomachache or food poisoning? How to tell if your abdominal pain is potentially life-threatening. When you begin feeling abdominal cramps and pain, try to determine what may have caused the discomfort. It could just be an upset stomach, which is characterized by swelling or inflammation of the stomach lining and intestines and can be caused by eating or drinking too much. Other possible causes of a simple stomachache include a virus or an allergic reaction to a particular type of food, according to Healthline. Consuming too much alcohol or fatty foods can also irritate the gut. Common symptoms of the upset stomach may include heartburn, gas, nausea, vomiting, belching, chills, and an increase in bowel movements, according to Healthline. If you're experiencing something more severe, you could be at risk of a serious health condition and should see a doctor. Want to know what your abdominal pain might mean? Check out the graphic below.